Hello guys! Now I buy 3 box of Lego. Lego Minecrafts. This is copy from Lego. Hello Lego. Guys, this one I buy. One box is 40 pound Egyptian money. One character in one box, guys. And now we will make unboxing this character, green. That's it. The one box is one character. And this is the head, and this is the swords. Oops. Alright. Actually guys, even this copy is nice quality, guys. The plastic is nice quality. Oops, I cannot put it, guys. Yes. This character is in the one box. Actually, my son favorite Minecrafts. That's why I buy it. Alright, this is the one box. Look, guys. And another one is this character. Blue. I'm not fan for Minecrafts, but I don't know the names. My son is fan for Minecrafts. He loves so much Minecrafts. So this is the... Alright, we'll put it. It's very nice. Even copy, guys, is nice. The plastic.
Make video Minecraft?
Yes, I make video your Minecrafts. Thank you, Zizu.
Welcome.
Alright, guys. We'll put this one.
And I for the Minecraft this one, I keep it.
Yes. Alright, this is the one character in the one box. This one. Now we finished two. We finished two characters and have one last one. This is the last one. Next time I will buy another one. Another characters. This number one. Number by number. The characters. Now we'll make it this one. Alright, and this is the head. This is the head, yes. And alright, this is the sword. And we'll put it in the stand. Oh wow, look guys, it's so cute. Look the characters. Green, blue, and this, I don't know what is this colors, but they're so cute, guys. Character for the Minecrafts. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching.